Standard 8, Subject English. Today we learn a new poem on page number 12. The trees are the kindest things I know. Chit chat. When do you receive gifts on my birthday? Do you like to give gifts? Yes, I do. From whom do you get gifts? From my parents, friends, relatives. What is the best gift that you have ever received? A laptop, wristwatch. Why is it special for you? It is very useful to me. So, this is the chit chat, and other question is very easy. You read it and solve it. Now I read the poem at first. Trees are the kindest things I know. Trees are the kindest things I know. So, trees are the kindest things I know. They don't harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, the hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know, Harry Wehen. So, see, trees are the kindest thing. There are so many kindest things, but trees are very kindest thing I know, because they don't harm us. They are simply grow, and so they don't harm us, and spread a shade for a sleepy cow, and spread a shade for a sleepy cow means the leaves are, the branches are strong, and all the birds and cows come there. Cows sleepy under the shade, under the spread of shade, and birds among them, they sit on the branches and play their games and other things, and they rest there also. Trees gives us fruit in leaves above, so many things it gives us, and so they give us fruits, leaves, and wood to make our houses of. Means it is very useful, and so the poet said that the trees are the kindest things, and used to burn a Halloween in the spring new birds of green, and in the there is a festival in autumn also in western countries. At that time, leaves to burn and from the trees, and so in spring there are new leaves, birds of tree, and it looks very greenery. Then they are the first when days began. They are the first when days began to touch the beams of morning sun. In the morning, when there is the rays of the sun, and they catch it at first, and so they are the first when days begin, and to touch the rays of the morning sun, and after that they are the last to hold the light also. Means in the sunset, at that time the rays are, they touch also, and so they are the last to hold the light of from the sun when evening changes into night. At that time there is the other things, but trees are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Then and when a moon floats on the sky. In the sky, the moon floats. The hum of sleepy soft slow song to put children to sleep. And at that time, the trees hum, the trees sings a lullaby for sleepy children. And so, of sleepy children long ago, it means in the past, today, and in this way. And so for the sleepy children, they hum a lullaby to them. And so all these things, they are very most important to human being. And so the poet says that the trees are the kindest thing I know. Means I know many things, but the trees are very kindest thing to human being. So this is the poem, and this is the paraphrase of this poem. We stop here. Next period I will give an extract on this poem.